This is Opie. Hope everybody out in Facebooky land had a good Saturday. We had the best Saturday ever at the Hirschberger house. Woof, woof. Henry Minry got to go with Sally Mae. Me got to go with Zola. Lanny got to go with Jeff to the bakery. Grandpa T was in charge, taking us in the wagon. The girls got to ride in the wagon, and the boys walked along the side, and I was rolling it fast in my cart. We had such a good time, and the cinnamon rolls were yum, yum, yum in my tum, tum, tum. Woof, woof. The weather is so good here in Springfield, Missouri. It's coolie, so nice. So the girls didn't get all sweaty in their pretty dresses. It was just such a good time. We had plenty of dollars. We have dollars left over. Grandpa T was very proud of us and our manners, and the girls had a nice time. Me had such a good time with my Sally Mae today. It was so good to see her, and she had on a new pink girl dress. It was so girl, and it had a little hat. That's because she was riding in the waggy. We had a really good day. We were very busy. We took us a big nappy this afternoon. We watched us some football. Now we're having floor time with Mama. We're watching a little Pontars. We just really had a goody day. Hope everybody out in Facebooky land had a goody day. We'll talk to you later. Love you. Woof, woof.